Welcome to La Antigua, Guatemala. And here you can see that this is an historical site in Guatemala. And this is what used to be the older version of the city. And this is the contrast to what we saw yesterday. So take a look at the beautiful view. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. If you know me, then you'd know that I am absolutely terrified of heights. So being at this lookout point was definitely a challenge. But my friend Saeed made a bet with me saying that if I were to stand at the edge for 30 seconds, then he would sing in front of everyone. 14, 15, 16. However, owing to copyright, unfortunately, I can't let you hear all of the song. If you want to hear more of this musical genius, you can take a look at his YouTube channel.
Quería ir al baño. Vas y cantas y vas a grabarlo. Vas y cantas. Ya se cumplió el reto. Vamos a intentar cantar acá. Caminando en este mundo ando yo.
Bullet Top Selector.
Sin un rumbo, sin destino, sin razón. Sin nadie como tú para amar.
Bullet Top Selector.
Teniendo este amor que me da hogar. Amor, dime cómo hacer para olvidar. Ya, solo estuviste 30 segundos acá. Si quieres que cante otra canción.
These three-wheeled vehicles called tuk-tuk are quite popular here in La Antigua, as they are considered the ideal means of getting around, considering the unique nature of the terrain. Take a look at the streets of La Antigua, and you will see how vastly different they are from those in the main city or in New Guatemala. In the past, the streets were mainly made of dirt, but whenever it would rain, they would become almost swamp-like, which made it difficult for pedestrians and horsemen. Consequently, it was decided to redo the streets with cobblestones. Apart from its cobblestone streets and lookout point, La Antigua is also known for its unique colonial Baroque architecture, and behind this beauty lie a lot of churches and ruins, which for Guatemalans in the past was a tragedy. But for the people of today, it's appreciated and looked upon with awe.
Okay, right now we are currently in
Convento Capuchinas. In this way, las monjas capuchinas live in this place.
They resided in the area above with the windows. Personally, I would say that they were imprisoned here rather than lived here.
Sí, no podían salir, únicamente estaban aquí.
So they couldn't leave and they were trapped here. A lot of history, so vengan a Guatemala. Once again, our musical genius spontaneously won the heart of the crowd with spontaneous musical whisper. Oh! This woman that we're about to see, it is said that she's actually entombed here. Wow, that's scary. This passageway here has a natural reverberation system, and so we decided to play with it a bit. As the day draws to an end, let us briefly summarize what you should know about La Antigua. It was founded by the Spanish in 1543 and named Santiago de los Caballeros de Guatemala, with the intention of becoming the third capital of the Kingdom of Guatemala. The city has been hit several times by natural disasters such as earthquakes, and after the earthquake of 1773 that left the city in ruins, the Spanish governor at the time decided to relocate the capital, thus giving the city its current name of La Antigua, which means Old Guatemala. And strange enough, the ruins have become a focal point of tourism for the city. Lastly, one of the most notable sites in La Antigua is El Arco de la Santa Catalina. In 1609, 4 nuns from El Convento de la Inmaculada Concepción de María were given permission to create El Convento de Santa Catalina Martir. This was the second convent for nuns in La Ciudad de Santiago de los Caballeros, founded in 1613. There is so much to see and do here in La Antigua. Therefore, if you'd like to have a reminder by means of a souvenir, clothing articles, or handcrafted items, then you may make a stop at the craft market, which is located near Plaza Mayor or Parque Central. After exploring La Antigua's glorious past and present, we decided to relax it a bit by going to a bar which had a great view of the city and a delicious menu. In fact, they are said to have the best pizza, and I personally concur with this statement. And for those young at heart, there's a discoteca if you're interested. We then ended the night with karaoke, where our Said won the heart of the crowd, singing songs after songs. There is so much to see in La Antigua that one video will simply not suffice. Therefore, I implore you, come to La Antigua. Ciao.
No sé,